If you've lost access to your Navy Federal Credit Union account and cannot use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Navy Federal website. Go to the official Navy Federal Credit Union website. Look for the Login section and click on it to access the account recovery options. Step 2. Select Forgot Password or Forgot Username. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in elite databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Provide personal information. Enter the required personal information such as your social security number, date of birth, and any other identifying details. This information helps verify your identity. Step 4. Choose an alternative recovery method. Since you cannot use your phone number, select an alternative method for receiving a verification code. Options may include email or security questions, depending on what you set up previously. Step 5. Follow the instructions. After receiving the verification code or answering security questions, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password or recover your username. Make sure to create a strong, memorable password. If you follow these steps, you should be able to recover your Navy Federal Credit Union account without needing your phone number. Always ensure your account recovery options are up to date to avoid future issues.